I really showed high interest in having this computer hub established in my batch, and I'm really happy to have such a nice team over here. And my students really did a lot of good, impressive things here with the help.
सेकेंड ईयर में जब मैंने टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ बच्चों को पढ़ाया तो एक तो मुझे मेरे लिए बहुत न्यू एक्सपीरियंस था, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर में जब मैं टीचिंग प्रैक्टिस में गई थी तो नॉर्मल हमने चॉक टॉक से ही पढ़ाया था, लेकिन जब मैंने पीपीटीज़ के थ्रू पढ़ाया तो मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा और बच्चों ने भी काफ़ी अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखाया। उन्होंने मतलब जो मैंने क्विज से उन्हें पढ़ाया तो उन्हें ज़्यादा अच्छा समझ में आया, उनकी स्टेबल लर्निंग।
बहुत ही मज़ेदार क्लासेस है, सबको ही मज़ा आता है यहाँ पर। ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स के थ्रू हम पढ़ते हैं तो हमारे कंप्यूटर स्किल्स भी डेवलप हो जाते हैं और इससे सभी को मज़ा आता है। थैंक यू बोलना चाहेंगे कि उन्होंने हमारे लिए इतना सोचा और इतना अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट हमें प्रेजेंट किया।
ओके, थैंक यू स्नेहलता। ओके बाय।
Are making PPTs and showing it to the children. They are using the computers for teaching the students in the classes. That is the progress they have made, because they have been trained for the past 3 years.
Teaching became interactive and students started participating to a great extent. And I was able to do the follow-up very nicely, and I got very good.
बहुत अच्छे चेंजेस आए। ये प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम था जिसकी वजह से मेरी स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी डेवलप हुई है, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट भी हुई है, मेरी इंग्लिश भी अब पहले से बेटर है।
और आपके इसके अलावा आपकी कोई एम्प्लॉयमेंट या फिर जॉब?
यस सर, मुझे यहाँ इसी की वजह से एक जॉब प्रोवाइड हुई है इन शांतिनिकेतन हॉस्पिटल एज ए गार्ड ऑपरेटर।
As in this night Dilshad Garden has also got this opportunity of having IT computerized services help from American India Foundation. This program was launched at the same time in both the nights, and as far as the impression is concerned, my students, they have learnt a lot. Before going to SEP, these people provided training to them as how to induct IT component in lesson plans.
In terms of expansion plans, do you think that this particular initiative should be expanded to all the diets in Delhi, or you would like to go in a phased manner? How do you want to approach this? If you are, you could have, let's say from 2 we could go to 5, or you could say that if you are convinced we can look at the entire districts of the Delhi.
I think the way the project has taken off, and it is going on in the few couple of months that we have seen and the presentation that we saw, it will be appropriate if it is expanded and taken in all the diets simultaneously, and we can also expand the number of schools where this can be implemented.
We will be getting labs because the funding from Dell, which we got, is currently supporting. Let's say we are going 3 computers in the 50 schools where we are trying to address this initiative. So, do you think that the computer labs will be set up in the next few months or by the next academic year?
In fact, what I visualize is that a situation where each of our teachers is well trained in ICT and is capable to create his own e-content to assist himself or herself in the teaching process. We will be very shortly setting up the computer labs in our schools, and we will be having computer teachers and computers also under the scheme. And I think the initiative taken by you and our own computers that we will be putting into place on the teachers, that can work in an integrated and coordinated manner to disseminate this into the maximum possible number of children and schools.
Thank you so much.
I'm really impressed with the ICT content developed by the students and teachers and training teachers. It is in fact a great effort on the part of the complete team, Mr. Sundar and diet team and faculty team. First thing I would like to mention is that it is important that faculty is developed, that when the project is over, all teachers should be trained so that they can really use it for really it is an interactive program, because this improves concentration, this improves their learning skills, and this improves their absorption, that they quickly absorb the program. So I think we should look forward for these issues.
Thank you so much.